Happy Gauri Ganesha festival to everyone. For my favorite Ganesha, I have prepared his favorite modak in 5 varieties. Here it is a chocolate modak. I have used Hershey's chocolate with Kit Kat, and this is a raisins and honey and vanilla modak. Here we have a rose modak and milk modak, and it's my favorite Tutti Frutti modak. So all together we are celebrating modak with Ganesha. Happy Ganesha festival to everyone. To prepare a base ingredient for a modak, I have taken 400 grams of unsweetened kova and 200 grams of designated coconut powder and 400 grams of milk maid. So that will be a sweet for complete modak. I'll be adding 1 spoon of ghee and fry all these things till it gets nice aroma and the base ingredient for the modak will be complete. Add 1 tablespoon ghee to the pan. Now add designated coconut powder. Mix it well till it gets nicely absorbed by all the ghee and get nice mix to it. Once it is nicely mixed, you can add the kova to it. Now add the kova. Again mix it well till it gets nicely absorbed by kova and designated powder. No need to cook for a longer time, just 3 to 4 minutes it will be ready. Now it has mixed well together with the designated coconut powder. Now you can off the gas and start to make the modak from it. Now the base is ready. You need to knead it nicely to make a soft dough to make the modak. To this I'll be adding milk maid for the sweet. And I'll mix it well. I'll take a little of the proportionate and knead it nicely to make a soft dough. To that I'll be adding different ingredients and I'll be preparing varieties of modak. I have mixed it well and the base is completely ready. Now we will start to make the milk modak, milk flavor modak for our Ganesha. Now we'll start to make the milk modak. For this I have taken a base ingredient which is already ready. I have taken 1 part of it. Now to this I'll be adding a milk powder and mix it well. Make a nice balls of it and I'll prepare the modak. Milk modak laddu is ready. Now we will make a modak with it. I'll just make it in a triangle shape and I will use the fork and give a shape to it and modak will be ready. Take the modak and just make it in a triangular shape, in a modak shape, and use the fork to give a shape to it, and modak will be ready. This is how you will be preparing the modaks for Ganesha. Now we will start to prepare a gulkan modak. To the same base I have added 2 tablespoons of gulkan. We'll mix it well and make a balls first, then make it in a modak shape. Use a fork and give it a shape to it and gulkan modak will be ready. As I have shown you a procedure how to do it, I'll be doing it in the same procedure for this also. Now I'll be preparing a vanilla honey modak. To this I have taken 2 tablespoons of kismis and 1 tablespoon of honey and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We'll mix it up and make a nice modak ready for Ganesha. Now we will start to prepare my favorite modak, that is Tutti Frutti modak. Most of the kids gonna love this modak. I've just taken a base and 1 full cup of Tutti Frutti. I just love Tutti Frutti, so I added more Tutti Frutti to it. Then now we'll start to mix it and the modak will be ready. I've kept all my favorite modaks in the last to prepare so that I can give lots of concentration on it. Now here it is, it's a chocolate modak. I've taken a Hershey's chocolate syrup of 4 tablespoons and I've taken 2 Kit Kats of 5 rupees which has been finely crushed. we will mix it up and we will prepare the chocolate modak.
Happy Gauri Ganesha festival to everyone. Enjoy the festival vibes.